Hello friends, how y'all doing? I hope you guys had a wonderful trading week. Mine was awesome, to be honest. Mine was wonderful. I can't complain. If you're new to this channel, I started this particular Hola Prime 100K challenge in order to just document my trading journey as an unprofitable trader, because I would call myself an unprofitable trader. I don't believe I'm yet profitable until I start making withdrawals. I started this challenge about a month ago. I started this challenge last month and I ended up passing phase one. Currently, I am in phase two of this challenge and I have not yet passed and I have not yet failed. So I promised that I would come on here every week to update you guys about the trades I took for the week, whether the trades went into losses or I won my trades. I promised that I would be as transparent as possible to you guys. So here I am today at the end of the trading week to tell you guys about the trades I took for this particular week. If you watch my video for last week, you would notice that some of the trades here were actually trades I took last week that rolled over onto this particular week. And I also added one or two more trades. I got one or two more set up to trade this week. So the thing is, most of my trades are still open. As you know, I am a swing trader. My trades have not yet hit stop loss and they've not yet hit final take profits. All of them. I'm still within my starting balance. I have not yet gone below my starting balance of $100,000 because I have not yet lost any trade and I have not won any trade. That's one annoying thing about swing trading. You would be in a particular trade week in, week out, and you will just have to be patient. The market is going to test your psychology. It's going to test you. You will feel as if you should close the trade because especially on slow weeks, like this particular week was so slow. Market was just consolidating. There were no much high impact news to move the market. So my trades were just, most of the pairs I was trading were consolidating. So I just ended up watching the charts after every 4 hours and I didn't get much movement. So let me just quickly show you guys the trades and where the market is currently on each particular pair that I have taken on this challenge. So the first pair I took from last week, or I would say 2 weeks ago, was on Euro chef, this first one here. I took this trade on June 23rd. Right from June 23rd till date, this particular trade is still open. As you can see here, let me just open the chart quickly for you guys to see. This is Euro CHF. I took my entry here and this particular pair has been consolidating. It will go up. Right now, I am currently in drawdown in this particular setup. I'm just that this trade gets back into profit and end up hitting my TP. Fingers crossed. The next trade I took was Euro CHF. This trade also Euro JPY. This trade also was taken on June 30th and it is currently still open. You can see I took my entry here. This trade went straight into drawdowns and then straight into profits, back drawdown into trade has just been consolidating, currently in profits, and I'm hoping that by next week it will finally hit my TP. It is really, really tiring, this trade, for multiple weeks, and this trade is not deciding on what to do. Moving on, the next trade I took was on CHF JPY. I took this trade on June 30th, and this is the chart. This particular trade is currently in profit. I took my entry here and it has also been consolidating. Currently in profit, and I hope that next week it will just go straight to my TP. Moving on, the next setup. Actually, these two currency pair, AUD JPY and GPP USD, were the trades I took. I took this one. I took AUD JPY on July 6th. Took the trade on GBP USD on July also. So this is the chart for AUD JPY. It is currently in profit. I took my entry here. It has also been consolidating, consolidating, consolidating. Currently, I hope by next week it gets to TP. And then the last setup I took was on GBP USD. And this is the chart for GBP USD. It is slightly in drawdown. Hopefully by next week it will go into profits. So these are all the trades that I have opened. For those that don't know, I'm a swing trader. So I end up holding trades from between, let's say, 3 days to about 3 weeks or a month, depending on when the trade decides to either hit my stop loss or hit my TP. So all these trades are still open currently. Anything can happen. And I have a fixed risk of 0.7% per trade. Fixed risk of 0.7% per trade. At the end of every trading week, I like to document the exact value of my account balance. I don't really care about what my equity is saying. My main concern is my account balance. So since I have not taken any losses and I have not taken any wins, my account balance still remains the same. $100,000. So the end of the trading week on the Friday, July 10th, my account balance on this phase 2 from account is still $100,000. As you can see, it says my current results 100,000, and I have like an floating equity of $822. This is just what my dashboard is saying. Stats and history. Let me just run through. 0, 0. No trades have closed. All these are guys kind of like swap. No profits have been taken. My account is still static. So hopefully by next week, probably after the CPI comes out, maybe the market will start moving. And then if I get stopped out, it's fine. My risk is managed. And if I hit take profits, it's fine. So this is everything I have for you guys for this week. Please, if you are new here and you've just come across my video, like video, share, subscribe, follow me on this my journey. I believe that we are all going to be profitable. Turn on post notification, and then I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.